Hello, today we're going to wrap these beautiful hydrangeas with some brown paper and tissue paper. It's super easy, does not involve a lot of paper, so if you want to learn how to wrap small round bouquets with some brown paper and tissue paper, something super nice and organic, keep on watching. Here I just removed the greens because I felt there were too many green leaves. And I am just doing a regular spiral bouquet. If you want to learn how to make spiral bouquets, I'm going to pin a nice tutorial that I made a couple months ago. You can click on it and watch a step-by-step tutorial on how to make spiral bouquets the right way. So for this tutorial, you need 4 pieces of square paper. It's very important. They must be square. Here I have 50 by 50 centimeter papers. I have 2 tissue papers and 2 brown papers. You want to fold it in a way that all your 4 triangles are symmetrical to each other, more or less. Don't go crazy with that. Just make sure that they are more or less symmetrical. We want to really prepare something that is very pleasing to the eye symmetrically. So this is how I measure. They're all symmetrical, and you want to repeat these 4 times. 2 times for the tissue papers and 2 times for the brown papers. I like to put the brown paper on top just to make sure that they're all symmetrical. I don't want my papers to have different folds and different angles. So this way I make sure that everything is nice and symmetrical. And I do this one last time with the 4th paper. Again, the same thing. Position it on the pink one just to make sure things are nice and symmetrical. Now that the folds are done, I start with the brown paper. I put the tissue paper on top and I change the angle just a bit, just like that. And I tape it. You can use a stapler or some tape. It doesn't matter, whatever you feel comfortable with. You want to do the same with your second set of papers. Here I'm going to make an incision, which is going to allow me freedom of movement. It is going to allow me to shape the papers to the roundness of the bouquet super easily. It's super easy. You position the bouquet at the center. If you want to do something super minimalistic, you can finalize everything right here. Just bring the sides at the center. Make sure you use some sort of label or sticker to secure everything at the center right here. And tie the bouquet with a nice ribbon. I like my bouquets to feel a bit more extra, so I'm going to use the second set of papers as well. You just have to make sure they don't overlap too much. You want to see the beautiful triangles in between each other. I do not use any scotch tape or staplers. I feel like it's pretty secure. Just hold it tightly and wrap your ribbon a couple of times around the stems just to make sure they're all secure and nothing moves. For the ribbon, you can use any thickness or material. Here I have thin satin ribbons. You can also use organza or thicker satin ribbons. You can mix the both of them. It's always very nice when you mix different textures of ribbons. That's it. It's super simple and very elegant. If you want to learn more about packaging, subscribe to my channel for step-by-step wrapping tutorials.